Hi everyone, Kris Koester again with the Champaign County Joint Information Center, bringing you another informational video. While we are all adjusting to COVID-19, it's important that we focus on our health, as well as those of the health of our friends and family around us. And in checking on our health, we should also pay attention to a person's whole well-being. Joining us today to talk about that is Dr. Elise Wessol, an addiction management physician with Carle. Thank you for joining me.
My pleasure.
What's most important for people facing addiction to know right now?
The most important thing they need to realize is they are not alone. There are resources in the community that they can access now, including treatment at Carle Addiction Recovery Center where I work, and also with peer support groups. Those are all online right now. Peer support groups are groups like Alcoholics Anonymous, Narcotics Anonymous, AARNA, and Smart Recovery. Sharing our stories with our peers in these peer support groups validates our suffering and makes us feel less alone. If patients are already engaged in treatment, they should continue their scheduled sessions, which are likely virtual via phone or Zoom. And then Carle has also added 2 virtual counselor-led support groups due to the pandemic and quarantine. We realize that this can be a very difficult time for people, and so these additional support groups have been added.
Thank you. And you talked a little bit about online, but how do you continue to honor anonymity and privacy during this time?
So the virtual visits are using cryptic technology, and then whenever they are utilized, patients receive a personalized link or phone number that requires a passcode or access code.
And if there's someone else who is out there right now who's wondering about services, is it still okay to seek help at this time, or do you have to be an established patient?
No, we see new patients every day and are still seeing new patients every day. So even if you've never engaged in treatment before or have in the past, please reach out. We are available as soon as next day appointments even. We provide non-judgmental, open-minded services and meet people with where they're at, whatever the goals may be. We provide life-enabling treatment responses to whatever the patient's goals may be.
Thank you for your time, Dr. Wessol. Please remember to take care of yourself, and if you need additional resources, call 211 or visit champaigncountycovid19.org.